Hello YouTube gardeners. Well, spring is upon us and the flowers are starting to pop up. We saw our first poppies spring up on the property just today, and you could see here we have a big box of flower seeds that we harvested from all of the different types of flowers we're growing. We have lots of rain in the forecast, so today is the perfect day to go through all of these seeds and start spreading them out all over the grounds. What are some of your favorite flowers that you'll be growing this year? These beautiful edible daisies have been growing all winter long. They're a great all-season flower in Southern California, and they put out a ton of seeds. You can see here lots of seeds, and they just start planting themselves all over the place. They actually can go a little crazy, but they're so easy to pull up, and they're a great bee attractor. You could see here this huge bag of zinnias. Zinnias do excellent in Southern California. They tend to tolerate lots of different soil types, and they also seem to be pretty drought tolerant. Here is a bunch of basil seeds. Got some painted corn that should not be in the flower box. Here is some echinacea, and I get in a hurry and label stuff and then have no idea what it is. I do not know what this is, but I believe it's beans. So these should be in a different section also. Here we are. We have some succulent seeds, lots and lots of sunflower seeds. Oh, okay. These are radish seeds. So that means these are crimson radish seeds and the French breakfast radish seeds. Now I know what they are. All right, put those in the radish section. Here is one of those mammoth sunflower heads. The girls love to eat the sunflower seeds. Lincoln rose, lots of nasturtium, and a ton of hollyhock seeds. We grew the corn poppies for the first time last year. You could see that we got these seeds from Johnny Seeds. And look at all of these seed pods. This was just from a couple of poppy plants. We have tens of thousands of seeds. This flower is so incredibly beautiful. I was in the Middle East a couple of years ago, and they're just growing wild all over. Then I was thumbing through the catalogs this year and came across this poppy. It is a Hungarian blue. Look at these incredible flowers. We got these seeds from Baker Creek, heirloom seeds. Can't wait to see these guys pop up. And I'd like to print out a picture so that I could keep my eye out for what the greens are going to look like, so I don't accidentally pull them when we're pulling weeds. Also, some more seeds to share with you. Got these also from Baker Creek. Look at the size of that sunflower. Our chicks are going to love snacking on these. What a little cutie in the picture. And also got these sunflower seeds from the Rusted Garden. It's a 5-pack of Bentley sunflower seeds. Beautiful varieties in here, great for cut flowers. So make sure to stop by the Rusted Garden when you're seed shopping. And these do great in Southern California. They're basically wildflower mixes. Bring home the butterflies. You get lots of beautiful flowers that range in colors and heights and bloom times. And I love this one, Songbird Delight. We get lots of birds in our area, and I actually encourage them to come to eat up the grasshoppers and to eat up some of the insects. Sometimes they do start getting at the food, and there's ways to deter them from eating the food we're growing. Here's some good drought tolerant seeds, water-wise. Here's another mix, Save the Bees, and I love these guys. edible beauties, and all of these are from botanical interests. And those edible daisies that I showed you at the beginning of the video are in this group, the edible beauties. And just a final fun tip, if you grow lavender and if you rub the lavender blossoms on your skin, let's say around your neck, it wards off flies and gnats. So I do that quite often. I love the lavender smell. It's obviously great for all kinds of stuff, but it also wards off flies. All right, that's it for now. For more short videos on how to grow food in Southern California, hit the subscribe button. Hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.